Let us see the prerequisites of quadratic equations. The following are the concepts discussed as the prerequisites of quadratic equations. What is a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial. Types of polynomials. Linear polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Splitting the middle term of a quadratic polynomial. Perfect squares. Polynomial. A polynomial is an expression of finite length, constructed from variables and constants, using only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents. Let's see some examples. Example 1, x squared minus 4x plus 7. The given expression is x squared minus 4x plus 7. X squared minus 4x plus 7 is a polynomial, because it has a non-negative integer exponent. Example 2, 1 by x. 1 by x can be written as x to the power of minus 1. So, the given expression, 1 by x, is not a polynomial, because it has negative integer exponent. Example 3, root x plus 2. Root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. This implies that x to the power of 0.5. So, the given expression root x plus 2 is not a polynomial, because it has non-integer exponent, that is, a rational or decimal exponent. Each part of a polynomial is called a term. Now, we will see the terms by taking an expression, that is, 3x plus 4x squared minus 7. The given expression 3x plus 4x squared minus 7 is a polynomial. From the above polynomial, we have 3x, 4x squared, minus 7. Thus 3x, 4x squared, and minus 7 are called as the terms of a polynomial. Here we can say that 4x squared is a leading term, and minus 7 is a constant term. We can define the leading term as the term with the biggest exponent is called leading term, and constant as any term that doesn't have a variable in it is called a constant. Degree of a polynomial. The highest power of x in p of x is called the degree of the polynomial p of x, where p of x is any polynomial. Let us see some examples and find their degrees. Example 1. 4x plus 2. The given polynomial is 4x plus 2. From the given polynomial, we can notice that the highest degree of variable x is 1. Therefore the degree of the given polynomial, 4x plus 2 is 1. Example 2. 2y squared minus 3y plus 4. The given polynomial is 2y squared minus 3y plus 4. From the given polynomial, we can notice that the highest degree of variable y is 2. Therefore, the degree of the given polynomial, 2y squared minus 3y plus 4 is 1. Note, p of x is the representation of a polynomial. There are different types of polynomials available. Few of them are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Now let's define linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Let's see some examples of linear polynomials. Example 2x minus 3. Here, exponent of x in 2x minus 3 is 1. Root 3x plus 5. Here, exponent of x in root 3x plus 5 is 1. Y plus root 2. Here, exponent of y in y plus root 2 is 1. 3z plus 4. Here, exponent of z in 3z plus 4 is 1. So, these are linear polynomials. Now, let's see some examples of not a linear polynomial. Let us see why they are not linear polynomials. 8x squared minus 3. Here, the degree of the variable x is 2, so it is not a linear polynomial. 4y squared plus root 2. Here, the degree of the variable y is 2, so it is not a linear polynomial. Minus 3z squared plus 4. Here, the degree of the variable z is 2, so it is not a linear polynomial. These are not linear polynomials, as the degree of the variable is greater than 1 in all cases. Note, linear polynomial in X is of the form ax plus b, where a, b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0.